The general idea of the move demand date journal is to, of course, as it says, to move demand dates in Business Central. So with simple MRP and classic MRP planning, it's possible to calculate backwards from supply, and supply is always determining the total way of calculating backwards. But when this doesn't get better and the purchaser would say this is not possible to do better, we would like to move the other way. So in this example that I'll show you now, I would like to look at my items that can't be fulfilled. I will select a template, maybe a location here, and it will calculate low-level code down and up to find everything that it needs to move because it's not possible to supply. So of course you would run this normally after doing as much supplies as possible and trying to fix all kinds of dates as possible. As you can see here, for instance, the front hub needs to be moved, item number 1150 on a production order. And of course it could be more than one order. You have here 2 examples, and the last 2, it's the same item, but it's 2 different firm plan production orders you need to move. And for each line, it's possible to drill down into the line, click at the line, view the supply changes and see what causes this movement, like this one. And you can check mark all of them, change the action messages here, say yes, I would like to do that, and then carry out actions which will transfer those into 2 different journals. So if I'm carrying out now, it will transfer all the production orders, assembly orders and transfer orders into the reverse planning worksheet, and sales orders into the sales order handling which we built. So in the sales order handling now, we have 1 sales order that it suggests to move in here because there was only 1 sales order on the list. And if you scroll right, you can see from date. This is the shipment date today, and it suggests to move it over here. This is a consequence of the full hierarchy of movements that it sees here. On the other hand, in the reverse planning worksheet that it also opened, you can see lines here of the type reschedule. So it's actually normal planning lines in Business Central, but it only contains action messages reschedules, and this could be both production orders, assembly orders and transfer orders. So this is the idea to calculate backwards in Business Central.